Alright, now that we're back, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress for your domain name. So what you want to do is, I'm just going to go through these tabs real quick so you can see. This is our main domain name right here, Doggone Happy. That's pretty much like the central domain name, the account domain name that you had. And then if you have the baby plan, you can do multiple domain names. Now since I have only the hatchling plan, I can only do one domain name. So what we're going to do is, we're going to come over here, we're going to come down, I'm going to show you these different tabs. Files, you don't really need to mess with that unless you're a developer. That's more advanced stuff. Database, you don't need to mess with that. Domain names, this will be convenient for you if you have the baby plan, so you can be hosting multiple domain names. And then your email accounts, which I'll show you how to do in another video. I'll show you how to set up an email for your website, one that's like ending in your domain name. So it can be support@domainname.com, whatever that is for you. So that's some of the basic stuff. And what we're going to do is, now that we come up here, we're going to do over here and build a new WordPress website. So we're going to click over here to that. Then we're going to go to, once this thing loads. Okay, now once it's loaded, we just click right here. We click the domain name that we're going to be installing WordPress on. Now, like I said, if you have multiple domain names, then this list will be bigger. And I can also show you how to do that. But this is all we're going to do for this plan. And we click next. Then now we're going to enter the blog title. So this is our website name. Now it should match your domain name. So I'm going to make the blog title Dog on Happy. The admin user is just whatever you want it to be. So it can be your first name because I'm sure it'll be you. So I'm just going to put my name. Then I'll enter this information right here. Then your admin email, this is going to be the email you log in with. So you want to use an email that you probably sign up with your HostGator account, or an email that you use quite often. So I would probably recommend, for the sake of this, using the same email that you use to register your HostGator account. So I'm just going to put that in. Click the agreement, and this simply click install. And we're going to wait for this to load. It should only take a few seconds before it installs. Alright, and you can see now we've installed HostGator. I mean, not HostGator, we've installed WordPress onto the website. So now this is your other information to log in. So you have your HostGator hosting, and then you have the login for that, for your hosting when you want to take care of that kind of things. Now you're going to have an individual login for your specific website. So once you've done that, you're going to see it's going to be installed on doggonehappy.com. Your username is whatever you created as your admin, and then your password is going to be auto-generated, which, like I said, you can change. Alright, so then we're going to do that. We're going to click login, and this is going to log us into the website. And I'll give you a little bit of a tour of what it looks like. So all we're going to do right here, we'll just grab the information that they gave us. So we're going to paste the password, and this information is also sent to your email. So if you forget it or if you lost it, just go to your email that you just used to install WordPress with, and your login details will be there. So simply just enter my username or email address, and you can click remember me if you want to, if it's on your personal computer, and log in. And that is how you set up WordPress. Now in the next couple of videos, we're going to get into more detail on how to start to customize and actually put together your website.